In this problem, we're going to graph an inequality. When graphing an inequality, a few things you want to remember. First of all, these are all linear inequalities, which means we'll be sketching a straight line. If the inequality symbol includes the equality, such as less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then it's a solid line, and we pick a test point to shade one side or the other. Otherwise, if the inequality is less than or greater than, then we use a dotted line before determining which side to shade. In terms of graphing the line itself, you can use any of the techniques that we've had so far. For example, in this first problem, I'm going to use the x and y intercepts to sketch this graph. So here, if I let y equal 0, then 3x would equal 6. And so what we're graphing first is the line 3x minus 2y equals 6. So if y is 0, then 3x equals 6 means x would be 2. That's my x-intercept. If x is 0, I'd have negative 2y equals 6, which means y would equal negative 3. So that's my y-intercept. Now for this problem, since it's a less than, but not less than or equal to, that means I'm going to extend this with a dotted line rather than a solid line. Now I need to pick a test point to determine which side to shade. I'm going to choose the origin. So that if I substitute the origin, 3 times 0 minus 2 times 0, into this equation, I want to know, is that a true statement? Well, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 0 is less than 6, so that is true. That means shade the side that that test point was on. So that means I need to now shade the upper portion above the dotted line, so that the graph of my inequality is everything to the up and left of this dotted line.